Hello again, everyone. This episode I'm going to show you how to fix one of these pre-war turnouts. Normally, the problem being is the frog is loose, such as this one, causing derailments. Besides being loose, it also rocks back and forth. Now the problem is this brass pivot pin. It's just worn out. Now I'm going to show you how to replace it. The first thing we do is take off the back, which is removing these two grommets right here. So from the front side, it would be this one and this one. Now you can drill them out, you can grind them off. That's totally your preference, but if you're going to drill them, make sure you don't use a drill any larger than the hole that the grommet is in. Normally these particular switches take a smaller grommet, which is 90 thousandths. This one here, it looks a little bit larger. Apparently some guy or person did use a larger drill and he had to go to the next size up, which would be 125 thousandths. So let me take this thing apart and we can see what it looks like from the other side. Okay, I'm at my workbench now, and we've taken the bottom off of this thing. So here's what it looks like on the inside. So the pivot pin base is right here, and it's swaged right to the housing. So it can either be drilled out or ground off. I suggest grinding because if the drill drifts one way or the other, it's going to relocate the hole, and that means then the frog will be in the wrong place. So we don't want that. So I'm going to grind it off right now using a Dremel tool. Just a little bit at a time until you see all of the brass disappear. I think we got it. Okay, let's turn it over. And let's see if we can get that thing out. There it goes. Okay. Mission accomplished. Now, the next clip, I'm going to show you how to put the new pieces in and finish this job up. Okay, here's the right-hand turnout with the pivot pin removed. What we're going to use to replace it is this shoulder bushing. Now, this goes to a Marx S3 1998 switcher. This, along with the countersunk screw and this 540 nut. Now the 540 nut plus the other two parts are all available through Robert Grossman. The 540 nut itself is used on just about every motor that Marx ever built. So what we're going to do now is we're going to take this spacer and put it in where the pivot pin used to be. Then the countersunk screw into that, through the hole. Okay, now screw on the nut. I suggest using a drop of Loctite just to keep it in place. Tighten it down. And repair is complete. That frog is going nowhere. So now we just have to put the backing back on. Now you don't really have to use grommets if you're a little bit squeamish about using them. You can also use a small nut and bolt to put the backing on. You can see those recesses in the backing plate, which would accommodate the nut. So, good luck with that, and hope this helps out everybody that's trying to repair one of these things, and we'll see you next time.